I am going to show what is the C sharp data type. C sharp data types like the type of data a variable can store, right? Such as integer, float, characters, booleans. In this chapter, you will learn what is the different C sharp data types. Okay, and I will also show in the programming how like the we can declare the data types. Okay, let's first so the C sharp data type specify the type of data that variable can store. How many type of data? Value type, reference type, and pointer type. Okay, what is value type? Value type means variables can assign a value directly. Okay, when you declare sub the how many types of value type data type, so you can see there are different value type data types, integral types like the integer, byte, long, floating, float, double, decimal, character type, char, boolean type, bool, enumeration type, enum, and structs structure. So these are the value type database data types. Okay, next is the object type. What is the object type? The object type is the ultimate base class for all data types in C sharp. Okay, the object type can be assigned value of any other types. In object type, best thing is we can assign the value of any type of data types. Okay, in the later chapters I will show you. This is a just example. When a value type is converted to object type, it is called boxing. On the other hand, the object type is converted to value type, it is unboxing. All these concept you will find in the next chapters. What is dynamic type? So you can store any type of value in the dynamic type data variable. I will give you the syntax like the dynamic variable name and value. Next, string type. String type is the something like store any string value in the string type. Okay, and next is the array type, stored multiple values of the same type in a single variable. This is the array type. So let's go and see in the Visual Studio how we can like the store the data. You can see here I just added a very basic simple program. Here is the integer type. You can see the syntax is int is this is the variable name and any things we can give here. Okay, you can see here the long, there is also a data type we can give here. This is byte. Few more data types under the integral data types: byte, short, uint, long, ulong. Okay, float. You can see here we can declare the syntax like this: double, decimal. This is the boolean, bool, bool. This is the data type name, and all these under the system namespace. That's why you can see here we are using system. Under the system everything will be there. This is the syntax of boolean. This is the syntax of char, Here this is the variable name, you can give any name, and here single quote anything you can write here. This is the object type. Object, what is syntax? Object, any name, and I am storing integer. You can store string, anything you can store here. Okay, you can see here I am storing integer, here I am storing string, and this syntax is the array type. What is syntax of array? Is string. I am taking the string type. This is the two brackets, students, this is the name, equal, and this is the curly bracket. And yeah, this is the very simple syntax to declaring the all data types. Okay, and what is the reference type? The reference type does not contain any actual data stored in a variable. They contain the reference to variable like object, dynamic, string, and array. This is the reference type. Okay, what is the difference between value type and difference type? Value type directly store the data, but reference type store the reference of the data also. If suppose any value change, if the data in the memory allocation is changed by one variable, then other variable automatically reflects this change in the value. Okay, yep, that's all for this video. This is the very basic syntax how to declare the data types. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.